Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you the basic of EXL. So as I said in my last video that this video is for beginners who is the people who are student or the people who are professional and they are not knowing about they are not much knowing about the EXL. So this video is going to help them who are beginners, especially the basic and the simple things I'm going to tell you to teach you. So in this video, in my last video, I taught you the format option about the format option. Let me show you. Let me highlight this. So in my last video, I taught you about the format. So how you format, you make your data, beautiful by using this format option, right? So in formatting, you can do so many things, right? Like you can add numbers, you can make your text bold, italic, you can make it underline, strike through, and also alignment. You can align your data, you can wrap your data, you can rotate it, you can increase or decrease the font size. There is a conditional formatting as well, alternate colorings, and etc. So now in this video I'm going to teach you insert option, so the uses of insert and the how this option is going to help you, right? So let me show you. So if I talk about insert option, so I clicked on insert. Now before clicking on insert option, I'll select my data. So as I talked in last video that the selection, there are three more uh, ways to select your data. So simply using short key you can select press control A. So data, all data will be selected. Now other than, you can click on this tab where here at the corner of the sheet, you can click on this and your all data will be selected, or you can manually select your data like this. Okay, so this is how you can select your sheet. So I clicked on, I select my data, I went in insert option. You can see in this option. So if I want to insert 100 rows above, insert 100 rows below. So apart from this, if you suppose, for example, if you want to add one row above this first number, right? I clicked on first. So I clicked here and I click on insert, and I will click on rows option. So insert row above. So I click on insert row above. Now you can see one row is added. So I click here, and again if I insert one row below, so I click on this. Okay, so like this you can do this. Okay, so now you can see, I press control, click on this option. This is undo button, or you can say it control Z. So you can simply, using short key, you can press control plus Z. Your data will be as usual. Okay, now I select my data again. I'll choose another formatting where we learned how to insert rows above and below. So now I'll add columns here. So this is a simple way where we can insert the columns as well, right? So I clicked on this, I click on insert left. So now you can see from the left your one column is added. I click on control Z. So simply if you want to add the column, I choose B, right? So once I choose B, I click on insert. In column option, I went in column option, I clicked insert one column to the left. Now you can see from the B, one column is added from the to the left. Okay, and again I click on control Z. You can go in insert again, and you can there are other features as well. You can see chart, you can add the chart. If you want to prepare the chart in your excel, then you can prepare the chart. I clicked on it, and I clicked on this here. Now you can see I made the chart here. So as per your data, though, as per your specification, how, like, what are the things you want in your chart, you can prepare the chart. I'll delete the chart here. And now go in insert. You can add the image as well. You can see, let me highlight this. Image option is there. You can create pivot table here. You can make a chart. Again, you can insert the image. You can see, you can insert the image in your excel sheet. You can make a drawing here, and there are other functions as well. You can see sigma function is there. You can insert the link in your excel. You can see there is a tick box as well. If you want to prepare a sheet where you want tick boxes, so you can select the tick box and you can get the tick boxes. I'll show you how it is going to work. Let me show the options first. So there's a drop down option, there's emoji option. You can see emoji, you can add emojis. So in excel you can do anything, I mean everything you can do here. And now you can click on smart chips. Comments, you can add comments in your excel, and you can make a note as well. Okay, so I'll select the data. I will click on insert. For example, if we want tick boxes in our sheet, so let's see. I have created the tick boxes. So you'll not understand like what is the use of tick boxes. So let me show you. I'll click on Control Z so that I can get my sheet back. For example, I'm adding a sheet here where I want, I'll click on this option, border option. You can see here, we can create a border, right? So I'll make a border here. I clicked on it. I'll choose this one. So now I added, borders. So in this options, yes or no. For example, if you have some data where you want that, like, I select this cells. I selected these cells. Now I click on insert. I'll click on tick box. Now you can see, and you can do the alignment as well. So I clicked on this option here. From here you can align your data. Clicked on it. I chose center. Now you can see. Okay, so in items you can see Samsung, Realme, Oppo, Vivo. So if you want that somebody has purchased, I mean Samsung, then you can click on tick boxes, right? Lava, there is no buyer in for Lava mobile phone, so you can't click on this. So I'll leave it as it is, and I'll click on, for example, somebody bought Samsung, so in your sheet you can mention here like this, means this is sold out, like this. So I hope you understand the uses of tick boxes, right? Again, I'll select the data. I click on this drop down. See, model, quantity, items. So uses of drop down, let me show you the uses of drop down. I clicked on Control Z so that I can get my sheet back. For example, I chose Samsung. I selected this column, clicked on insert, and I clicked on drop down. So now you can see in Samsung there is nothing. So you can create here other, you can edit the Samsung and edit button. This is the edit button you can see here. So this is the drop down box where you can add so many things here so that you can get in Samsung whatever what else you can add, right? Like press Ctrl Z to get my sheet back, and again I'll click on insert emoji. So for example, if you want to add some emoji in your sheet, then yes, here I want emoji, right? So now let me select this. I will choose the border. Now in this I want emoji here, right? So click on insert emoji, done.